In this video, we are discussing ophthalmology website design and its effectiveness as a strategy to market your practice. Ophthalmology website design is a strategy that focuses on converting website traffic into patients in your office. Now, as far as generating new patients, of course, this is a very effective strategy. Now, to implement this strategy by yourself or with your current staff would be very difficult. You know that your specialty is caring for patients and not coding websites. So, the typical cost associated with ophthalmology website design falls into two categories. There's templated designs, which can cost anywhere between $1,000 and $3,000, and then there's custom websites designs, where you can expect to pay $10,000 and up. Ophthalmologists will need to consider three fundamental factors to having a website that converts patients. First off, it needs to be mobile responsive. You need to have a website that works on all devices from a computer to a tablet to a phone. Secondly, it needs to be clearly branded. Branding your website is more than just the color scheme of your logo. You want to sell the benefits of your services to clientele. An optometrist will have a different imagery and conversion goals than an ophthalmologist, and your website needs to be an extension of your practice. And then third, conversion focused. You want to ensure that the user knows the next step they're supposed to take. Be sure to read our recommendations on sticky menus so you can always convert a user no matter where they are on the website. Driving traffic to your website can come from many other forms and strategies such as ophthalmology SEO. Stay tuned as we will discuss SEO and other strategies in greater detail in this series, The Ultimate Guide to Marketing Your Ophthalmology Practice.